In the lively town of Maplewood, where the maple leaves danced in the morning breeze, lived two best friends bursting with curiosity, Tilly and Liam. Tilly came from Canada, always wearing bright, spotty wellies, while Liam, with his quick smile and red scarf, had moved from England just last year. On a sunny Saturday, Tilly could hardly keep her toes from tapping as she skipped to Liam's house, a backpack bouncing on her back. As she reached his door, she waved a sheet of paper. "Good morning, Liam. Ready for our treat adventure?" Liam opened the door with a grin. "Absolutely. I've got my list of British treats, and I can't wait to try yours from Canada." Their first stop was Tilly's kitchen. Tilly laid out Nanaimo bars, their glossy chocolate tops shining in the light. Liam took a brave bite and his eyes grew big. Wow, it's sweet, soft, and crunchy all at once. Next came the maple taffy. Tilly poured golden syrup on a bowl of snow, rolling it up with a lolly stick. Liam's tongue stuck out to catch a sticky thread. They both burst into giggles as the syrup stretched like golden elastic. "This is amazing! Maple syrup is magical!" Liam giggled. From her bag, Tilly produced butter tarts. Liam nibbled, then went for a second bite, a syrupy smile on his face. "It's buttery, gooey, and perfectly sweet." Now, after wiping their sticky hands, it was Liam's turn. He presented a tin of Jammy Dodgers, a proper British biscuit with jam inside. Tilly's face lit up after one bite. Delicious, it's crumbly, and the jam is fruity and sweet. Liam then opened a small box of cinder toffee. When Tilly tasted the golden sweet, she felt it pop and fizz on her tongue. "This crackles in your mouth," she laughed, delighted. For the grand finish, Liam revealed a Victoria sponge cake, fluffy and cloud-like, filled with red jam and snowy cream. Tilly took a big bite, her eyes drifting closed. "It's like a fluffy cloud with a sweet surprise inside." Treat wrappers and crumbs were everywhere, but Tilly and Liam didn't mind. Their laughter echoed through the house. Soon they began ranking their favorites, trading halves and comparing notes. They both agreed the very best bit was sharing the treats and discovering new flavors together. They chanted together, "Yum, yum, yum! Treats are better when we share." From that day forward, Tilly and Liam started a new tradition. Every Saturday became a new treat adventure, sometimes in the Maplewood Bakery, sometimes tasting something strange and wonderful at the market. They'd bring sweets from around the world, share their discoveries, and invite new friends to join. They realized that treats were fun, but sharing and friendship made every adventure unforgettable. And so, in the little town of Maplewood, you would always find Tilly and Liam with sticky fingers, big smiles, and dreams of their next delicious adventure, proving that trying new things really was the tastiest kind of magic. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.